Today, all eyes are on the government's monthly jobs report. Economists predict hiring slowed from the huge jump we saw in April. Earlier this week, we learned that private sector job growth slowed a bit in May. We'll see if investors can end the week on a high note. Yesterday, the S&P closed at another record high. So did the Dow, jumping 98 points. The Nasdaq rose 44. General Motors CEO Mary Barra says incompetence and neglect are to blame for the automaker's failure to recall millions of small cars with faulty ignition switches. Yesterday, GM put out the results of its investigation into why it took a decade to issue the recall. The report says there was a failure to share information and take action. The automaker has fired 15 employees, many senior level, who, quote, acted inappropriately. The recall has been linked to 13 deaths. Verizon and Netflix are playing the blame game and now getting lawyers involved. It started when Netflix sent a message to customers blaming Verizon's crowded network for slow download speeds. Verizon fired back, demanding Netflix take that message down or face a lawsuit. In April, Netflix agreed to pay Verizon extra to increase streaming speeds. And that is your CBS Money Watch report. For more, follow me on Twitter at Jill Wagner CBS. At the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jill Wagner.